Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you some options on your Xbox Series X or S if it's not connecting to the Wi-Fi or any kind of network issues that you're having. So what we want to do initially is hold down the Xbox button and go to turn off. Now turn off your Xbox, your wireless modem, your router, unplug everything from the outlet for at least 1 minute. This is the first step when it comes to fixing network issues. Maybe there's an issue with your service right now, and just restarting it fixes that issue. Then go up to settings right here, go to general, and go to network settings. And then the first option here is manage wireless networks. Go to this, and then we can go on down to manage my networks right here. And you can see I have my networks in here. Press X to forget this network. And then we want to go ahead and just simply re-add it to our Xbox. So once we forget that, go back over to Setup Wireless Network right here, and it'll scan for available connections in your area. And then you can go ahead and connect with that and type in the password again. Maybe there's an issue, the password's out of sync or something like that, or you updated it and it didn't get reflected on your Xbox. So you need to cancel it and then re-add it. Now, there's some other things that we can do under the Xbox settings. So we want to go down to where it says Advanced Settings and select this right here. And then go on down to DNS settings, and then go down to manual. And just type in this manual DNS. You can press R1 to navigate through these different boxes, but type in 8.8.8.8. Press the button with the 3 lines on it, or go to the right arrow on the little D-pad or the little on-screen keyboard. And then for the secondary DNS, type in 8.8.4.4. And then we can go back to this page right here and go down to alternate MAC address and then go to clear on the top. Now, this is going to require you to restart your Xbox, but that should clear out your MAC address. And then we can go back under this page and we can go on down to alternate port selection. And then we can go to manual. And there's a bunch of different ports that we can select under here. So if one isn't working, we could try a different. So this is usually what fixes my strict internet. So if I ever have that issue, I can just select a different port under here, and then I'm good to go. Now, another thing that we could try is if we back out under this menu, we can see the main page for all our network settings, but let's just go back to where it says our settings, and then we can reset our Xbox. So sometimes you might not be able to navigate through the screen, so just press the Xbox button, and then you can go back. So under the main settings page, let's go down to System, go to Console Info, go to Reset Xbox or your console, and you have 2 different options. We have Reset and Remove Everything. This is going to delete your games and apps. We don't need to go to this. We want to go to the next one, Reset and Keep My Games and Apps. Now, this is going to keep your account info, but you're going to need to remember your email address and password to sign back in. But it's going to reset all the settings on your Xbox. So maybe you type something in wrong at some point. This will keep everything. Just remember your password. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.